You don't hit my car.
Oyinbo rẹpẹtẹ.
As you don't bash my car.
Gbèsè rẹpẹtẹ.
Tell me you don't hit my car.
Oyinbo rẹpẹtẹ.
As you don't bash my car.
Gbèsè rẹpẹtẹ.
My country pipo time don reach for tori basket. Na me be James Lawrence, dat pikin wey go school wey no sabi anything. Na me dey yarn una tori as e dey come inside tori basket for inside Spatula TV. Plenty news dey o, as e dey so make I yarn una. TSC, Nigeria Lazy Congress, Nigeria Labour Congress, and TUC, Trade Union Congress, and dem no fit strike the strike wey dem say dem wan strike o. My country pipo, na God na him go help dat governor for wey dey Borno. Bibi Naija e don finish o. Person wey call police no be him dey win case. Nigeria e remain small make the head cut comot. My country pipo, I dey come, I go tell una story.
You don't hit my car.
Oyinbo rẹpẹtẹ.
As you don't bash my car.
Gbèsè rẹpẹtẹ.
Tell me you don't hit my car.
Oyinbo rẹpẹtẹ.
As you don't bash my car.
Gbèsè rẹpẹtẹ.
My country pipo, una welcome back o. As I dey talk am before wey I say make I rest small, this matter wey everybody for inside Naija don ready gidigba. Many pipo don even carry dat thing wey dey call placard. That better thing wey dey vex dem put say dem go enter street for upon dis country. My country pipo, na so e dey be for there. Dis pipo wey dem dey call TUC and LSC come make our Naija pipo vex because dem talk say dem wan strike for inside Naija yesterday, but e come remain small make the time reach. Na im dis pipo come comot say dem no go do dis strike again o. My country pipo, dis matter come vex plenty pipo say dis TUC and dis LSC, Nigeria Lazy Congress, Nigeria Labour Congress, dem na too na scam na im dey be. Dis matter say dem don go dat place wey dem dey call Aso Rock. No Aso Rock where Oga dey, Uncle Buhari. Dem go collect money and dem come cut the strike. They say they cut am, abi they call am. Na wetin we dey hear be dat o. Dis matter so e dey vex plenty pipo, even for many states. Their own state NSC and TUC kukuma vex comot. For Benin, those pipo come enter one place wey dey call square. They come talk. Their oga wey dem dey call Sunny Osande, im talk say Nigeria pipo don tire well for dis country. Say government come put plenty money for fuel, put plenty money for kerosene, put plenty money for electricity. Even water wey we dey drink, dey put money. Even for where me I dey for inside Naija, pure water na 25 naira. My country pipo, the matter tire me. They come talk say the strike wey dem wan strike na say make government reduce all those things wey dey put plenty money. Say life e no balance for Nigeria pipo. Even person wey dem dey pay 5,000 naira for work, e no fit buy anything. Dis matter tire everybody. Even garri 300 naira for market. Pipo don tire. Kukuma, some pipo fish dem no fit eat. E say only pipo wey dey Abuja, dat place wey dem dey call Aso Rock, na im dem dey chop money. Abi oga wey dem dey call Ayuba Waba, im don go collect money. Many of dem say e don betray dem. Even for Kogi State, Kwara State, and dat place wey dem dey call Oyo State, and many of dem talk am. For state congress, abi TUC Congress and Labour Congress, as dem dey put am, the matter e vex dem. My country pipo, na God na him go help us, because God he no go shame us. Na so e be. My country pipo, another tori dey. Dat governor me like dis Lorenzo wey dey do amebo for una, wey dem dey call Governor Zulum Babagana, dem say na professor the governor be. Dat man Boko boys just dey vex, dey katakata. They wan kill dis my uncle. They go attack am. My country pipo, 48 million, 48 hours. This man, they attack him 2 times for inside Borno State. Wetin dey this matter say if that governor they attack am, my country people, wetin go happen to people wey dey Borno State? Their life e no safe be that o. Governor dey run me like this. Una go see am, my country people. As I say, governors live for ground, they do like this, they do ali, they do. Boko boys, the gun wey they use na the one wey they use for American movie. Nigeria police and soldiers, the gun wey they use and the one wey they do for Nigeria movie. This matter so make government even try make dem buy better gun wey dem dey AK-49 so AK-47 for Nigeria soldiers, so that themselves they go fit protect our governor. But my country people, na only governor they go protect. What of the people wey dey Naija, our Borno people, IDP and IDC, internally displaced country, people, wetin go happen for them? This matter so e tie wrapper o, my country people. Make una look am well o. But wetin me dey talk say this governor Babagana Zulum of Borno State na better pikin him be. God, I pray. God, I dey ask you Olodumare. Ogene, protect this man for us o. The man good. This man na president future him be o. President for future na him be. My country people, plenty tori dey o. I dey come make I rest, I don tire.
Burned vehicles laying on the side of the road, remains of Friday's attack. Jihadi fighters linked to the Islamic State in West African province group killed 30 security personnel in an ambush on Friday. Insurgents opened fires with machine guns and rocket-propelled grenades in an attempt to harm Governor Babagana Zulum of Borno State. The governor was unarmed and was extracted to a nearby garrison before heading back into tight security. Zulum was on an assessment tour near the town of Baga on the shores of Lake Chad, a region of Nigeria known for being the bastion of terrorists for the last decade. Despite the insurgency still going strong, Zulum has insisted on internally displaced people returning to their villages, from which they fled because of firefights. A return that now seems impossible for over 2 million people.
My country people, I don't come again. This story wey dey here, I want yarn una for inside today basket. Baby Naija, they don't finish. Big brother Nigeria. My country people, one person wey they call Leko, Leko. Now that pikin wey dey like Bloom, where they sweep house. Now he win $95 million. 85 million naira. Hey, in level. Papa God, you will do one for Leko. Do one for me. Change my story. My country people, una way they see me so, make una pray for me as Leko. When God don't do one for them, make him do one for me. But that girl with me, I like where we get this thing. That girl, I ain't come second though. Fine girl, no pimples. Dorothy. Now she come second for this inside big brother Naija. My country people, una know say these people, they put them for one big house where they just they chop, they do enjoyment. Una know that boy, that worry boy where they call Neo. My country people, that boy just they talk, they eat. That boy when slim well like my oga. The pikin don't get body before he leave big brother Naija. My country people, I go still remind una, I be remember una. That pikin where they call Katarina. Me I like that girl too much. As that girl enter big brother Naija just dey enjoy herself. Only he kiss. Only she hug. Only she can do that thing with freeze. Hi! As they just carry that thing cover body, they come down. So Naija. So my country people, the voter come up for only 1 week. And the matter where they say that boy where they call Leko, now he win that money. Plenty money. Himself come even deal with Davido as Davido organ. my country people, una know that boy. E get one girl that time when him dey talk to the girl, him like the girl. The girl come dey say you no get money, you poor, you do this na music say you wan do. E no go carry you go anywhere. As the girl come see say uncle Leko, my friend Leko, don win this matter, the girl cry. My country people, I pity her. The girl say, he come dey even tell people say, person wey dey ask you out, make you give am opportunity, make him love you, make you no reason am say the person he no get money, because Leko now na millionaire. In fact, Leko don get better car. Car wey say na president of Africa na him dey drive am, and now Leko don dey drive am. Hi, God is good, my country people. And my country people, we no go stop for there. And that story still dey. This one na that man wey dey call secretary to the federal government of federation, wey dey call Boss Mustapha. Na him come yarn this one for interdenominational church service. He talk say Nigeria head wan comot o. He say as e be so, this Biro head wey I comot now, even strong pass Nigeria own o. Say Nigeria own dey like this, my country people na dey see am. Boss Mustapha dey talk am as him go church on Sunday. He talk say matter wey dey happen for inside Nigeria e too much. Security, poverty, hunger, no light. My country people and even the government kuma, dem no try. Dem even dey carry things make e dey high, make citizens no fit. Wetin he come talk say Nigeria fit save o. Wetin go save Nigeria say make Nigeria get love wey that uncle Nehemiah for Bible him get. He say Nehemiah for Bible him get better love wey sweet. Obi mo sweet mo, na that kind love him get. Say if plenty people for Nigeria, especially the people Fulani, Yoruba, Hausa and Igbo, with Ijaw and TV people, with Nasarawa people, my country people, say if they put it together, come get that kind of love, Obi mo love, say Naija e go better, e go strong gidigba well. As he talk am, na so me I see am. My country people, me na here me I go stop. Before me I go stop for here, be say e get one matter wey I wan talk. Na Nigeria o. This country, I hear say we don reach 60 years now mo. Our next birthday go come, and if e come, Nigeria na 60 years o. Before me I go sing happy birthday song for Nigeria. Happy birthday o. Happy birthday o. Happy birthday o. Happy birthday o. My country people, Nigeria be 60 years o. Congratulations to all of us, to this country. Before I go, my country people, make una try, make una like us, make una follow us for Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. My country people, na me be James Flores. I don go. Una bye yo.
You don't hit my car.
Oyinbo rẹpẹtẹ.
I still don't bash my